Welcome to HAGER'S Hangout. I'm going to be going ahead and opening up a box that I just got. Okay? The box is a computer that I bought initially in, I want to say, May. Actually, it might have been April. There was something that went wrong, so I went ahead, had to ship it back, and, well, it's back. So, hopefully, it is the way it's supposed to be. Let's find out. Let's get this door aside. Okay. Let's move this off. Carefully move this aside. For some reason, I think that looks like a slightly different box. Shipping, so hopefully everything works. And I want it on film, therefore, I don't know, for shipment. So that doesn't matter. I got it, nice, safe and sound. Alrighty. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and raise this a little. Oh. Hey, okay, all right, that looks good, and this screen comes out, nice and strong steel, no flex, well, almost no flex. This is very good, okay, and then you can go ahead and blow out the filters, which is a very good idea. I'm glad more and more cases are switching to this style. And since it's white, it's a lot easier to see if there's a lot of dust. That's actually one reason why I wanted white over black, is so I can see how dirty it is, so I can go ahead and fix it willy-nilly, expeditiously. Okay, let's go ahead and, all right, I'm gonna push this, come on. I always take out the plastic. What? There is an internal plastic on this one that I did not see on the last one. Oh, that's cool. Yes. And then you very, very gently remove the foam. This stuff, very expensive, I found out. You have two compartments, you squeeze, you pop the two compartments, you mix it up, then it expands very rapidly, very expensive, but very flexible. No wiggle. And no, I'm not ranking on it like nobody's business, since, well, that is very, very silly. Here's your radiator right here. Nice cable management. This is your CPU. Oh, the radio cools the system. You just have a couple of fans down here, your power supply down here, and I'm betting the also important hard drives are on this side. Let's go check it out. Okay. Alrighty. Oh, that is a nice hinged door. Okay, so I can put in 2 more SSDs. Nice, that's very nice. I will be doing that possibly this weekend. Possibly a little later this weekend, but I'll figure that out later. Oh, and there's the bay for the larger hard drives. Don't know how to get to that. Maybe I just, looks like I have to remove these screws, pull this out, throw in my larger capacity. Now here's the trick. Okay. All right. You're building a computer, right? And yes, I cheated, I paid someone else, but that's because the components were difficult to get, yada, yada, yada. But if you're building your computer, okay, you have big multi-terabyte standard mechanical hard drives, are the ones with the spools that go, that's where you store a lot of big files, either if you are editing movies or you are creating like music files from your content that you create, or whatever you do, or like PDFs and all that stuff, you want to store on the big mechanical hard drives. Okay? Your operating system, you want to store on your M.2 drives, which I'm not seeing. Not seeing in the back. Well, on this side, it is possible that they're actually going to be on the bottom. Okay? But you store your operating system on the M.2 drive, right? But then you store all your Steam games and Origin games and all that stuff. You typically store all of that stuff on your SSD. So it's faster but longer lasting than your M.2. And your M.2 is a little less reliable based upon my experience, but super fast. That's why you put your OS and then your games and stuff like that on the SSD, so you still have the speed advantage, the longevity advantage, but it's far cheaper than M.2, which M.2 I'm starting to think is down below. But I'm not going to go into that right now. Actually, it might be right under there. Ooh, it is. Your M.2 is inside here, which is covered up. I'm not going to go into it right now. Maybe another video. But so far, nothing looks loose. Nothing looks damn. Oh, yeah. Looks good. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead and button her back up and plug her in. All right. Let's see what this looks like in the dark. Okay. There's some lights. It's revving up. Do I see any action on the screen? Let's find out. And I know some people are probably asking, why didn't I go RGB on the fans and all the bells and whistles and stuff like that? And the answer is very simple, because it's not cost efficient. All right, awesome. The computer looks like it is saved to what it was prior. Oh, I forgot to connect it to the internet, but it looks like it's working beautifully. My desktop is saved. You're able to see right there. Looks good. It works. I'm happy. Thank you very much, Origin. I'm actually very happy with how this thing looks. Looks very well maintained, and quite frankly, although expensive, for me, it is worth it. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.